Buongiorno and welcome to a journey through La Bella Italia. Prepare to be enchanted by the allure of Italy's iconic landscapes and captivating cities. A world of wonder awaits in the form of 10 breathtaking destinations. So, without further ado, let's begin our countdown with number 10. Starting off our countdown, we venture into the romantic waterways of Venice. Uniquely nestled across a collection of 118 small islands, Venice is a marvel of architectural and historical significance. A city with no roads, only canals, it is a labyrinth of narrow waterways, quaint bridges and charming squares. The heart of Venice, St. Mark's Square, is a spectacle in itself. With the grand St. Mark's Basilica, the towering Campanile and the imposing Doge's Palace, it's a feast for the eyes and the soul. As we weave through the city, the Rialto Bridge, the oldest and most iconic bridge across the Grand Canal, comes into view. A symbol of the city's resilience and ingenuity, it's a testament to the Venetian spirit. And let's not forget the iconic gondolas, gracefully gliding through the emerald canals, offering an intimate and timeless view of this floating city. From Venice, we now set our sights south to our number 9 spot. At number 9, we have the eternal city, Rome. A city steeped in history and culture, Rome is a living testament to the grandeur of the Roman Empire. It's a place where the past and present seamlessly intertwine, where ancient ruins rub shoulders with bustling modern life. Imagine walking the very streets once trodden by gladiators, emperors, and philosophers. The Colosseum, a symbol of Rome's ancient might, is an awe-inspiring sight. Once the stage for gladiatorial contests and public spectacles, it's a vivid reminder of Rome's storied past. Then there's the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome's political, commercial, and judicial life. Today it offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the Romans who shaped the course of history. But Rome isn't just about the past. It's a vibrant city, alive with bustling cafes, bustling markets, and the unmistakable Italian zest for life. From the bustling streets of Rome, we journey to the tranquil countryside for our number 8 spot. Welcome to Tuscany, our number 8 pick. Picture yourself meandering through undulating landscapes, where lush, verdant vineyards stretch out as far as the eye can see. Here, each rise and fall of the terrain tells a story, a tale of a land kissed by the sun and cradled by nature. Let's wander along the sun-drenched rows of grapes, where Italy's finest wines are born, nurtured by the soil and the passionate hands of Tuscan winemakers. And nestled within these rolling hills, you'll find charming towns like Siena, a medieval masterpiece brimming with historic treasures. Further into the heart of Tuscany, we come upon Florence, a city that wears its history like a badge of honor. A place where every corner turned reveals another architectural marvel or artistic masterpiece, a testament to the city's illustrious Renaissance past. Leaving the serene Tuscan countryside behind, we now travel to the coastal cliffs of our number 7 spot. Here at number 7, we find ourselves at the breathtaking Amalfi Coast. Imagine a place where the mountains meet the sea, where the sun kisses the clear blue waters, and where the scent of lemons lingers in the air. That is the Amalfi Coast for you. Renowned for its rugged coastline, this slice of Italian paradise is a harmonious blend of natural beauty and human artistry. The coast is dotted with pastel-colored cliffside villages that seem to defy gravity, clinging to the steep terrain with a charm that's hard to resist. Stroll through the winding alleys and you'll discover quaint cafes and boutiques, each with their own unique character. The crystal-clear waters of the Mediterranean invite you for a refreshing dip or perhaps a boat ride to admire the dramatic cliffs from a different perspective. From the sun-soaked cliffs of Amalfi, we venture inland to our number 6 spot. At number 6, we step into the stylish streets of Milan. Known as the global capital of fashion and design, Milan is a city that lives and breathes style. Its high-end shopping districts, such as the Quadrilatero della Moda, are where fashion enthusiasts from all corners of the globe come to bask in the latest trends. But Milan's charm extends beyond its fashionable facade. It's a city that intertwines the old with the new, the traditional with the modern. The city's crowning glory, the Duomo di Milano, is a testament to this. This impressive Gothic cathedral, one of the largest in the world, stands majestically amidst the city's sleek architecture, offering a striking contrast and a reminder of Milan's rich history. Milan, with its fashion-forward culture, is not just a city but a lifestyle, an experience, a place where style meets substance. From the chic cityscape of Milan, we travel south to the ruins of our number 5 spot. Our number 5 destination takes us to the fascinating ruins of Pompeii. This ancient city, frozen in time by the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 AD, offers a haunting glimpse into the everyday life of a long-gone civilization. Pompeii, once a thriving Roman city, now stands as a testament to the unpredictable power of nature and the enduring resilience of history. Walking through its well-preserved ruins, you can almost hear the echoes of ancient conversations in the Forum, feel the hustle and bustle of the marketplace, and witness the grandeur of Roman baths. The city's remarkably intact frescoes and mosaics provide a colorful snapshot of Roman artistry, while the amphitheater silently narrates epic tales of gladiatorial combats. Pompeii is more than just a collection of ruins. It is a time capsule, a portal that transports you back to the thriving heart of the Roman Empire. From the echoes of the past in Pompeii, we journey to the pristine beaches of our number 4 spot. At number 4, we find ourselves on the stunning shores of Sardinia. This Mediterranean jewel is a picture-perfect paradise, a symphony of white sandy beaches that stretch as far as the eye can see, each grain of sand a testament to the island's timeless beauty. The island's turquoise waters are as clear as crystal, reflecting the azure sky above. They invite you to dive in, to explore a world beneath the surface that is just as beautiful as the one above. It's a world filled with vibrant marine life, a kaleidoscope of colors that dance beneath the waves. Here, every snorkel and dive is a new adventure, a chance to become one with the sea. But Sardinia is more than just its coast. It is an island that pulses with life, that invites you to lose yourself in its natural beauty and find yourself in its serene tranquility. Leaving the island paradise of Sardinia, we now explore the beauty of our number 3 spot. Our number 3 destination is the colorful cliffside villages of the Cinque Terre. This is a destination where time seems to have stood still, a place where you can savor the simple pleasures of life. Cinque Terre, or 5 lands, refers to the quintet of charming fishing villages perched on the rugged cliffs of the Ligurian Sea. Each of these villages, Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manarola, and Riomaggiore, is a riot of color, their houses painted in vibrant hues that contrast beautifully with the azure sea. The allure of Cinque Terre lies not just in its picturesque charm, but also in the panoramic views it offers. As you traverse the winding paths that link the villages, you'll be treated to breathtaking vistas of the Ligurian Sea, the cliffs standing sentinel against its mighty waves. Every corner of Cinque Terre offers an invitation to unwind, to soak in the beauty of nature, and to experience the laid-back Italian lifestyle. From the charming Cinque Terre, we now travel to the heart of Italy for our number 2 spot. Our number 2 spot takes us to the birthplace of the Renaissance Florence. This vibrant city is a living museum, radiating with artistic heritage from every corner. Walking through its cobblestone streets, you'll be taken back to a time where art and science converged, sparking an era of enlightenment that changed the world. The city's iconic landmark, the Duomo, stands tall and majestic, a testament to Florence's architectural prowess. Its intricate details and towering dome offer a glimpse into the grandeur of the past. Just a stone's throw away is the Uffizi Gallery, home to a spectacular collection of Renaissance art. Here, masterpieces from luminaries such as Botticelli, Michelangelo, and Da Vinci adorn the walls, whispering tales of a bygone era. Florence is more than just a city. It's a journey back in time, a testament to human creativity and a celebration of the Renaissance spirit. From the artistic streets of Florence, we finally arrive at our number 1 spot. And finally, our number 1 destination is the enchanting island of Sicily. The grandeur of Sicily is not to be underestimated. From the azure depths of the Mediterranean to the soaring heights of Mount Etna, Sicily is a land of contrast that never fails to ignite the imagination. Here, the landscapes are as diverse as they are breathtaking. Verdant vineyards stretch out under the Sicilian sun, while ancient olive groves whisper tales of times long past. Sicily's history is as rich and varied as its landscapes. The island has been a crossroads of civilizations for millennia, and nowhere is this more evident than in the magnificent Greek ruins scattered across the land. Temples, theaters, and archaic cities echo with the voices of ancient Greeks, their stories etched in stone for eternity. But Sicily is not all about the past. It's a place where tradition and modernity coexist in harmony. You'll find bustling markets selling colorful produce, quaint cafes serving up mouth-watering cannoli, and lively festivals that celebrate everything from art to zucchini. The beaches of Sicily are a wonder in their own right. From the white sands of San Vito lo Capo to the dramatic cliffs of Scala dei Turchi, each beach offers a unique slice of paradise. Let's not forget the ever-watchful Mount Etna, Europe's tallest active volcano. Its fiery spirit is a reminder of Sicily's untamed beauty. And there you have it, 10 of the most stunning places to visit in Italy. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel videos.